This CNC lathe features a rigid slant bed design, ensuring high stability and efficient chip removal during machining. Equipped with a servo hydraulic turret, it allows fast tool changes and stable cutting performance. The machine adopts high-precision ball screws and linear guideways, delivering excellent positioning, accuracy, and long-term reliability with a spindle speed of up to 4,000 RPM and strong motor power. It is suitable for a wide range of turning applications. The compact structure also makes operation and maintenance more convenient. This machine is an ideal solution for efficient and precise machining of various metal parts.